In this video, I'll detail how to call emergency number on Apple Watch by pressing the side button. So if you just go ahead and press and hold your Apple Watch side button like this, your Apple Watch will be able to call emergency contact on your device. So here basically I'm going to show you how you can make your side button to call emergency number or contact emergency SOS on Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first one to do here is just press the digital crown to exit the clock face or watch face. Now while on the app menu, click on settings, and on the settings page just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to SOS, then click on that. Now once you selected SOS, locate hold side button and click on that, then make sure this is enabled. If this is disabled, then you'll not be able to press the side button to call emergency SOS on your Apple Watch. You see that? So to make this work, you just need to come here and enable hold side button. Press and hold the side button to call emergency service. In certain region you may need to choose which number to dial. Then go ahead and press the side button again. So that is how you can easily use the side button to call emergency SOS number on Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.